Statistics Sierra Leone has begun the user and producers consultative workshop in preparation for the 2026 census. It was a national workshop held at the Brookfield Hotel, brought together stakeholders to ensure this forthcoming census is inclusive and responsive to the needs of citizens. Nathan Turner has more.
This consultation, thereof, aims to ensure that the 2026 population and housing census will not only meet international standards but also respond directly to the country's development priorities and sectorial planning reforms. Statistician General Andrew Bob Johnny said that the consultation was a critical phase in aligning the census content with the actual needs of policy makers, development actors, researchers, the private sector, and the public.
It's data for the SDGs. It's data for the medium-term national development plan. It's data for the African Union. It's data for ECOWAS. So we have to get the standards right. All the checkboxes we have to get right in terms of our tools, our methodologies, our implementation, our dissemination, and how this will reach people. We owe a responsibility to ensure that we do due diligence to our people.
Deputy Minister of Planning and Economic Development, Reverend Jonathan Titus Williams, said the feedback from the workshop will be used to refine its approach, evaluate new thematic inclusions, and improve outreach and education efforts around census data.
On the technical front, progress is encouraging. Drafts of the census questionnaires and other technical tools have been prepared. But tools alone are not enough. To truly maximize the value of the census, the entire process must be inclusive, participatory, and responsive to the needs of both users and producers of data. This is why this workshop is so critical.
As Sierra Leone moves steadily towards the 2026 census, the Users and Producers Consultation Workshop marks a major step in democratizing data and strengthening the national statistical system. For SLBC News, Jonathan Turner reporting.